What up, what's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, the host of Kicks and Beats, a channel that gets back to the hood so you know what's good. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and like. So, what do we have here today? We have a sneaker that already dropped, but it's all good. It's all good because we haven't covered it. We need you guys to see that close-up look, and we're really good at doing that, so that's what we're about to do right here. What we have right here is the Yeezy 700 V1. So many colorways that's coming out. What's the name of this one? Enflame Amber. There we go. The Enflame Amber. For those who aren't familiar with this shoe, it contains Boost, which is very comfortable. It's what's provided within the midsole area. So if you don't have a shoe that contains Boost, please do yourself a favor and get yourself a pair that contains Boost. Let's get into this shoe right quick. I believe it retailed for $240 if I'm not mistaken. And shout out to StockX, that's where I got this W at. I lost every single raffle when I tried. Let's not even get into that. But yeah. Oh, man. So, I'm expecting this to be super similar to the 700 V1 Sun. Only difference being that upper, the yellow, being swapped out for some sort of like tan color. I believe it's like tan like. We're about to get into it right now. But yeah. Details in the front of the box. Alright. Can't wait to take a look at these, man. Get the receipt out real quick. Alright, well, there you go. There's the tag right there, StockX. Damn, these look good. What? Alright. What do I call this color? That's what I need to figure out right now. What do we call this color? I kind of want to call this... It's not like wheat. It's definitely not wheat. I don't want to call this khaki though, neither, honestly. For some reason, this colorway right here, it reminds me of champagne. Especially this portion of the shoe. This reminds me of like champagne right here. Over here, you know, all black. Within the suede portion of the shoe. Mesh area here, you got this blue that they like to recycle often with the 700 V1. It originally came out when they released the colorway Wave Runner. You know, it has some sort of green over here with this blue over here. So yeah, they keep reusing this Wave Runner blue, I guess you can call this. Over here, they decided to swap out the green, put some sort of brown over here in the mix. I think the brown goes good with the champagne color over here for the upper. We got the same orange midsole that they keep using with this silhouette. I'm not mad at all, but at some point this is gonna feel real played out to me. It's already starting to, honestly. I think the color they chose for the laces, it goes perfect with this shoe. It's not like completely white. I'd say it's kind of like off-white in a way. I don't think it's white. Alright, let's check out the insole real quick. We got the champagne insole. Wow. Champagne insole. When you get this pair, it's going to come with this. The rope lace once again. Here's the details. Pause where you need to pause, unpause where you need to unpause. Just in case you happen to pick up a pair, you don't know if it's real, you want to compare your tag to this tag. Yeah, this shoe features a 3M, guys, reflective. You'll notice it right here, the stripes inside this mesh area. Over here, the drip section. Everything's looking nice. Alright. So, it is time to give you guys that up close look, that on feet look. Let's get to it. By the way, guys, when it comes to this shoe, I've been told that you can go true to size. I've never bothered attempting that. I always go half a size up, and I love how it feels, but I'm always being told that you can go true to size with this silhouette. And, you know, from seeing how many people agree with that, I'm starting to feel like you probably can get away with it. So for those who are wondering, you can go true to size with this shoe. Yeah. Anyways, let me know how you feel down in the comment section below if you have not yet. Cop a drop. Let me know. And which one do you prefer? These or the Suns? Or even the bright blue? Because that's another shoe that's similar to these. You know, difference being the upper only. And, you know, this section here. So let me know out of the three which one you thought was best, actually. Wouldn't be surprised if we have another 700 V1 coming through soon with another orange bottom, honestly. They keep doing it this year. But yeah, stay tuned, guys, because we got another early look coming up. I can't say what it is, but it's a pretty dope one. It really is. Can't wait for that one to pull up. But anyways, thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys once again. Take care, y'all. God bless.